Hi traders, Anthony here. Okay, though this is the Tron trade setup that I posted into our Telegram group tonight. What I want to do with this is just follow up and explain why I took the trade, and we'll work out some targets and see where we're going to go with this. So the idea with this is we've got the setup, we had the pullback, we entered, we look for partial profits, 80% we take off the table, and when we do that, if we go into our, what have I got running here? Oh, I've got an Atom trade running as well. If we go into the account history, $32. Okay, so when you've closed 80%, have a look at the dollar value in the account history. So we've got $32 here. Alright, so then what we do is we grab the stop loss, and I'm going to follow these dots here. See how this is telling me that if the stop loss gets hit, there's a $28 loss. Given that we're $32 in the money and this is going to cost me $28, we're $4 ahead. So basically what we've got now is a risk-free trade. This will cover broker costs. If we give this a bit of room to breathe and we leave our stop loss here, we get an opportunity then. If this picks up momentum, we get an opportunity to trail. So I mean, it's up to you. You can trail it using these levels here, and they'll work their way down. We've got a cloud. Let me just turn the cloud on. Hang on. So we'll just throw the cloud back on. Just bump it up a little bit so we can. All right, there's our cloud. So we can trail this using these dots, and they'll work their way down, or we can trail it using these dots, and they'll do the same. All right. So I guess if you're wanting to build your account, why not go happy medium, so that if this closes, it's not a break even, it's better than break even. At least you're going to make a bit of money. Alright, so there's 18 and there's 32 difference. Okay, so I've just posted that into Telegram, and yeah, I mean, it's quite a nice outcome. It's kind of heading down to our target level. So let's just, I'll just close this. Let's work out some targets. I'll just get that out of the way. We're moving into resistance support here. I'll just open it up on let's go to a 15. So see down here now we've got a big level. It's quite a nice setup, and there's definitely momentum to the downside with this. Now you could do that if you want to. So this range would be the next, like if we pull a level through here, that's our next big level, more or less. And this one down here is that's a weekly level. Sorry, a daily level here. So level daily. You know, now that this is in the money, here's the thing. Let's just take it out to the hourly chart and get a bit of a higher time frame perspective. Have a look. See, look at this on the hourly. Breakout, pull back on the hourly. So just notice that we're got a bit of a thing going here. So that would be definitely worth consideration. Okay, this level. If we look left, like if that trades down, what have we got when we look left? We've got this level over here. So we could actually pull from these candle highs through here, same thing, right? And then pull that right through here. So that would be definitely a feasible level, and you know, you might want to consider potentially closing around here, given that we are in a trend here, and we've got this level to contend with. So you know, you could kind of plan it so that you set your target. What do we got here? These highs, yeah, I mean that's reasonable if we get a touch. So that's one thing. Coming back down to the 15, now that we've got a bit of a higher time frame perspective, you see now we've got some direction here. So I mean, yeah, you want to make a little bit of money. You've got these levels back here, through here and here. So that's a level. So we're rejecting off here already. See that? So that's one way to look at it. You know, and then you go back down to the lower time frame again, back to your 1 minute chart. You know, you've got these shaded areas. There you go. See that? There's your support. Right. Now the other way to approach this is just to keep pulling that down and increasing your profit. And if you want to at this point, then you can pull it down to this level here. So why not? Then you're going to maximize your profit potential. I'll make $24 if that gets taken out. $70 if it reaches my TP. So now we can look at trailing the inner row of dots here. So I mean, I'm happy with that now. You know, like I've pulled my stop loss down to this row of dots, and we've got a TP down here. So I mean, this is sitting in front of the chart basically. We're watching it. You know, we've got time. And if you're going to go to bed, then there's your target, there's your stop loss. It's a set and forget, and you walk away from it. Okay guys, I'll wrap it up at that. I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and I'll see you in the next video.